Google just killed one of the most significant AI breakthroughs of the last decade. You know, AlphaFold, the project that won them a Nobel Prize for literally solving protein folding, a problem that stumped biologists for 50 years. Yeah, that one. Google is shutting it down, not because it failed, not because the science stopped working. They're shutting it down because they've decided that Gemini, their big bet on general-purpose AI, matters more. And that's the wild part. Google is actively choosing to stop funding research that was reshaping medicine and biology. Research so important, it won a breakthrough prize in life sciences. But here's what really matters. This move reveals where the trillion-dollar AI industry is actually betting. Every major player is funneling resources into one massive gamble. Can we build a general-purpose AI system that beats everything else? Protein folding is brilliant, but it's specialized. Gemini is the bet that matters for Google's future. The question isn't just why Google abandoned AlphaFold. It's what this tells us about which innovations the biggest companies actually believe in for the next decade. And that answer changes everything. So what exactly is AlphaFold? Think of it like a massive puzzle that's been unsolved since the 1970s. You know how DNA is the instruction manual for life? Well, proteins are what actually builds and runs your body. Every enzyme, every hormone, every immune cell, they're all proteins. And the shape of a protein determines what it does. Get the shape wrong and you get disease. For decades, biologists could read the genetic code of a protein, but they couldn't predict what shape it would fold into. It was like having an instruction manual written in a language you could read but couldn't interpret. Then AlphaFold showed up. Google's DeepMind team trained an AI on millions of known protein structures and patterns from biology. The AI learned to look at the genetic code and predict the 3D shape with stunning accuracy. Within a few years, AlphaFold had predicted the structures of nearly every known protein on Earth, about 200 million proteins. Biologists went from waiting months for lab results to having answers instantly. Pharmaceutical researchers started using it to identify new drug targets. It accelerated medicine research by potentially years. The impact was so enormous that the Nobel Committee took notice, and the team that created it won the Breakthrough Prize in Life Sciences. This wasn't a nice-to-have project. This was a fundamental breakthrough in biology. The recognition AlphaFold earned wasn't some minor industry award. This was massive. The Breakthrough Prize in Life Sciences comes with genuine prestige and substantial funding. It's basically the Nobel Prize younger, better-funded sibling. The team got recognized at one of the most prestigious ceremonies in science. And Google, they took it as a huge validation that their AI approach to biology was working. This is what makes the shutdown so shocking. When you win major international scientific prizes, you don't typically respond by killing the project. You double down, you expand it, you build on the momentum. But that's not what happened. Instead, Google looked at their portfolio and decided that protein folding, despite all its promise in medicine, wasn't the priority anymore. The company was shifting focus. Not because AlphaFold wasn't valuable, not because the science was wrong, but because Gemini represents something Google sees as bigger, a general-purpose AI that can do anything. Here's what that means in practical terms. Google is betting that one super-intelligent model that can write, analyze, code, and reason about anything is more valuable than 10 specialized breakthroughs in medicine. They're consolidating their bet. They are saying the future is about one large language model to rule them all, not multiple specialized tools. And that's a philosophy that's spreading through the entire AI industry right now. Here's the concrete impact that's now ending. Researchers worldwide were using AlphaFold every single day. Pharmaceutical companies were using it to design new drugs. A team at MIT was using it to understand proteins involved in cancer. Researchers in Japan were using it to predict how viruses mutate. A lab in Germany was using it to understand Alzheimer's proteins. These aren't hypothetical applications. These are real research projects that relied on AlphaFold to move forward. The tool was integrated into scientific workflows everywhere. You could submit a protein sequence to AlphaFold's public database and get back a predicted 3D structure within minutes. For free. That accessibility meant even small labs and startups could use world-class AI without needing massive computing budgets. It was democratizing cutting-edge molecular biology. Now those researchers are losing that tool. Google is shutting down the project over the next period. That means no more updates, no more improvements, eventually no more access. What was a free, world-class research tool will be gone. Scientists who built their research around AlphaFold will need to find alternatives or change their approach. Some research pipelines will slow down. Some drug discovery projects might get pushed back. This is real impact rippling through the biotech and pharmaceutical industries. And it happened because Google decided a chatbot was more important than medicine. So why did Google make this choice? On the surface, it seems obvious. Gemini is the company's answer to ChatGPT. It's the product that might win the AI wars. It's what investors are excited about. It's what could generate billions in revenue. AlphaFold is brilliant, but it's specialized. It does one thing incredibly well. Gemini does many things decently well. And right now, the AI industry is obsessed with generalists, systems that can do anything rather than specialists that do one thing perfectly. There's a business logic here. Large language models can be deployed everywhere. You can build them into every product, every service, every customer interaction. AlphaFold is valuable for researchers and pharma companies, but it's not mass market. It doesn't integrate into a Gmail experience or a Google search feature. It doesn't touch billions of people like Gemini can. The economics are simple. Gemini has upside potential in the trillions. AlphaFold has meaningful but limited upside. So Google is moving resources where they think the biggest payoff is. The problem is that this same logic is now spreading through the entire industry. OpenAI is focused on general-purpose models. Anthropic the same. Meta the same. Everyone is chasing the same dream, one superintelligent model that can do everything. Meanwhile, specialized breakthroughs in medicine, biology, chemistry, physics, the areas where AI could solve humanity's hardest problems, are getting defunded. It's a classic case of companies choosing short-term shareholder value over long-term breakthrough potential. Here's what keeps biomedical researchers up at night tonight. AlphaFold was accelerating drug discovery. Scientists were using it to identify new therapeutic targets. Hospitals were potentially years closer to treatments for diseases that don't currently have cures. Cancer researchers were understanding protein mutations better. Immunologists were mapping how the immune system recognizes threats. Every month that AlphaFold existed, it was improving our understanding of disease at the molecular level. Now that's stopping. The momentum breaks. The researchers who built their careers around AlphaFold need to pivot. Some will move to competing tools that aren't as good. Some will go back to traditional computational methods that are slower. Some might leave the field entirely because the path forward just got much harder. And here's the long-term risk. If specialized AI breakthroughs in medicine aren't valued by the biggest tech companies who funds them, universities have limited budgets. Smaller startups can't match Google's resources. This creates a gap. The technology that could cure cancer gets deprioritized, or we chase the next ChatGPT upgrade. It's not a catastrophe tomorrow, but over years it could mean treatments that don't get discovered, research that doesn't happen, diseases that take longer to solve. Google is saying loud and clear, we are betting on general-purpose AI, not medical breakthroughs. And that message echoes through the entire industry. So if you're a researcher who relied on AlphaFold, what are your options? First, there's OmegaFold, which is an open-source alternative developed by iBiology. It's not quite as accurate as AlphaFold, but it's free and you can run it yourself. Second, there's the ESM-Fold system from Meta, built on top of the language model ESM2. It's faster than AlphaFold, though sometimes less precise. Third, you could use traditional methods like molecular dynamic simulations or experimental techniques like crystallography, but those are slower and more expensive. The reality is that researchers now have to choose between tools that are almost good enough or go back to methods they were hoping to leave behind. Some labs with resources might develop their own proprietary tools. Some might partner with universities that are investing in protein prediction. But the free, world-class, easy-to-use tool that was democratizing this research, that's gone. You can still access AlphaFold's database of predicted structures. Google isn't taking that down immediately. So if you need predictions that already exist, you're fine. But new research, new organisms, new protein variations, you're on your own. This is the practical impact hitting researchers right now. They're assessing alternatives, recalibrating their research strategies, and realizing they need to work harder for answers they got instantly before. Here's what the AlphaFold shutdown tells us about the next decade of AI. The industry is betting everything on one horse. That horse is the large language model. Every major player, Google, OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic, they're all funneling resources into building the next generation of these general-purpose systems. It's the safest bet from an investor standpoint. It's the most obvious revenue play. It's what the market rewards. But it comes at a cost. Specialized breakthroughs in biology, chemistry, medicine, climate, these are getting defunded. Not everywhere, but at the companies with the resources to make the biggest impact. The future of AI isn't going to be shaped by advances in protein folding or drug discovery. It's going to be shaped by whoever builds the best ChatGPT competitor. That might be fine. Large language models are genuinely powerful. But we're now living in a world where a Nobel Prize-winning project gets killed because it doesn't fit the corporate strategy. That should concern you if you care about medical breakthroughs, if you care about solving hard biological problems, or if you believe AI's real value isn't in writing emails, but in understanding the universe. Watch for more of this. Watch for more specialized AI projects getting abandoned. The winners in this industry aren't building specialized tools anymore. They are chasing the same dream. And that might mean the problems that need the most help get the least attention. Follow for daily AI news.